Good morning guys, hope you're keeping safe and well and having a fantastic day wherever you are in this world. It's Sunday morning, it's very gloomy, sad and depressing here in the UK at the moment. And there's nothing better on a Sunday morning than a lovely bit of crumpet. Mine's called Warburton, she's soft, she's squidgy, and we're about to get hot and steamy in the kitchen. So before we get started guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. If you're feeling generous, hit that like button and ring the notification bell so you can see when my next video is coming. So, question is, what are we going to be doing for breakfast this morning with Warburton? Well, we are going to be doing Eggy crumpets, that's what they're known as. And it's a similar sort of take, I suppose you could say, to sort of French toast, but it's a little bit of an easier, even easier, should I say, easier thing to prepare. So basically, what we are going to be using is Warburton's going to be getting involved in this. She loves getting hot. Then we're going to have some bacon as well to put on the side, and I've also got 4 eggs in there as well. So let's get started. So why crumpets, you ask? Well, as you will see here, there is lots and lots of holes and gaps on the front and back of crumpets, which is great for absorbing all the egg. So the next thing I like to do to go with this is to have some bacon just to top it off. I have to cut the fat off mine. I hate the fat, but just the thought of that fat in your mouth.
A few moments later.
There you go guys, there it is. They've got the crumpets there, Eggy crumpets with bacon, and you cannot finish this dish off without some brown sauce. And loads of it. You can obviously make this as healthy, or I say unhealthy as you like, depending on if you're cutting, if you're bulking. You could remove the egg yolks, you could just have egg whites. You could remove the bacon if you wanted to, for that, obviously, you know, depending on your calorie goals, etc. But yeah, great, easy breakfast to prepare on a Sunday morning, and very, very cheap as well. If you're, you know, you're cooking on a budget, then it's great. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of a taste test. Of course, you can't do this without a taste test. Solid. Let's just pick it up and eat it.
So good and tasty.
Big one is definitely better than a woman on a Sunday morning. Right, so I'm going to wrap the video up there, guys. I hope it's been useful for you and given you an idea of an alternative breakfast on Sunday morning. Give this video a like as always if you've enjoyed what you've seen, and also please subscribe to my channel. You'd be doing me a great favour. Comment below if you try this or you're a fan of crumpets, let me know your thoughts. It's really worth trying, guys, so give it a go. And I will see you all very soon for another video.